Hi guys, welcome to Vex's Live. If you want to see how I made this intro, stay tuned. First of all, you'll need the app Photo. Open it and then select plain image. Select white and then select color. Now I'm gonna go for pink. Yeah, that pink will work. You can choose whatever color you want. And then I'm gonna go to custom size settings and set it to 1280 by 720. Now that's the standard YouTube video size. And then I'm gonna select save and use, or use and save, sorry. And then I'm gonna add text. Now you can add your channel name or whatever you want to add. Now this app has a ton of fonts that you can use. I'll just choose that one and select me. You can even select a cute sticker to add. I chose a heart, thought it would be cute. Anyways, you can make your text bigger or smaller, resize it the way you want. Once you're happy with your results, just go ahead and save the image to your camera roll and then open iMovie, select new project, new movie, select the image, and there it is. Now we are going to double tap on the image. And then pinch the screen here to resize it, and then make sure you select Kanban's disabled. That's very important so that your image does not move. Now once the movie has been created, select save, of course in 4K. You need the best quality. And once it's saved, you're gonna open Video Star and select Edit Movie. Select your video and then select Make Video. Once it's done processing, you are gonna select New and then select Re-Effect Clip. And then you're gonna select the plus sign and you're gonna select the little magnifying glass to search, type wave and then select wave. Obviously the first one is not nice, then you maybe select left, see if you like that, or down. I prefer right because it looks better. And then you can change the speed of your wave using that little circle thingy. Once you're happy with your result, you're gonna save your video and then open Pocket Video and select YouTube Vlog, and then you're gonna add your video from your camera roll. Once it's done importing, you are going to select video sticker and go to YouTube. Now what we're trying to do is add the glitch star green screen effect. So you're gonna type Vanessa Vexy, that's my channel name, and I've got a green screen video up, and that is it. It's called the Aesthetic Green Screens plus Liquid Transitions, James Charles inspired. Anyways, once it's done downloading, what you want to do is select the bits that you want. Now for this video we want the glitch star effect, and it's at the beginning of a video, so you're gonna move the pink line to the beginning of the stars, and then you're gonna go to the end of the video and move that pink line closer until the end of the glitch star bit. Now this helps you, select which bit of the video that you want to use. Now this is what it looks like when it's done inputting. It's green obviously, but we can fix that. First you have to resize it to your video, to match your video, and then you're gonna select mask and then select mask green screen, and there you have it. As simple as that, you guys. Do you know what else we could do? We can add a white transition as well at the end of this video, so it can look good while it opens into another scene. Now do the same thing, go to YouTube and select my video. While it's loading, okay, there it is. Now just move the pink line again to where you want it. Let's see, which transition do we want? Let's see. I've got a number of transitions in this video, so you've got a lot of options. You can totally use this video for anything. Okay, so I think we'll use that transition. You're gonna do the same thing, resize the video to match your existing video. Now for this transition we want it to be at the end of the video, so we're gonna select Q and then move the pink line to the end of the video, so that the liquid transition can only appear at the end of the video, like that. And then you select mask and then green screen. Let's play it one more time and see. There you have it. That's pretty easy, guys. You should try it. Now after this, I'm gonna add a subscribe button using green screen method to this video as well, but I'm not gonna show it in this particular video because I already have a video on that. If you want to see how you can add a subscribe button to your video, your intro, just check my description below this video and I'll leave it linked. That's it, guys. The video is in your gallery, all saved. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.